Hello, how are you friends? This is ELA Palamoni Reyes speaking, and today we're going to look at a very simple Excel video. Personally, when we work on database cleaning, we often come across small issues that, although they seem simple, can complicate our work. This is especially true for those who are starting to transition to Power BI or who continue working with Excel. One of these issues is the trim function, which sometimes doesn't work as expected. For example, when we want to remove spaces at the beginning or end of a text or number and the function doesn't do it. If this has ever happened to you, don't worry because today I'll explain how to solve it. For those who might think this is something trivial, I remind you that my content is aimed at those looking to learn. If you already know this solution, feel free to move on. However, for those who are interested, join me as we download a file and work through the exercise. In my case, I was working with a list of US data that I got from Wikipedia for a web page project. Once I copied the table, I pasted it into Excel and noticed that some numbers had spaces at the beginning or end. Instead of removing them manually one by one, which would be impractical for long lists, I tried a few solutions. First, I tried using the Ctrl+H find and replace shortcut to remove the spaces, but it didn't work. So I turned to a more effective alternative. The solution is to use the substitute function along with code and char. Here's the procedure. Use the code function to identify the problematic space in the text. Combine it with the substitute function to replace that character with one without spaces. Apply the formula to the field or column where the data is located. The result is an effective method that removes spaces when traditional functions don't work. This method is useful and I shared it in a video I uploaded almost a year ago. Today, however, I want to reiterate it and explain how to apply it in different situations. I hope this helps you streamline your data cleaning processes in Excel. If you enjoyed the content, subscribe to Tutoliber. Bye-bye.